Hey guys, we're here right now in the John Collection English. We want to go tomorrow to the party, to the auto show in Long Island, and Glen, Cove, Manssion. And we want to show you something very good. Wow, this is a nice car too. Look at that, it's beautiful. But particularly, I want to show you something over there. That's the car we want to drive to the auto show tomorrow, June 30, in Long Island. The car is right here on the right side. Glen, the first exotic car show 2018. That's the car we want to drive. That's a beautiful Caddy, 1968 Cadillac Calais. Wow, if it was built, not too much. You want to drive the car tomorrow over there to the auto show. It's got to be an unbelievable experience. That's nice, right? Beautiful car, so clean, one owner. Everything you see right here is original, including the interior, paint, everything, carpet, seat, everything. That's beautiful car, big body, big boy, 1968 Cadillac Calais. That's great, and that's fun to drive to the first Glen Cove Manssion Auto Show 2018. It's gonna be there tomorrow. That's a couple of cars we have right here. That's beautiful, right? See you there tomorrow.